Hello, my people. I greet you for us on untouchable mama. Also now they fine. Now do well as on tell me to share, comment, like. God will bless you now. I appreciate you now well. My people now see this video one I just see so. Now tank all this where they carry fuel. Now you just run enter this house. I go play for now and listen to wetin happen. That's our country. Now only God now go save us. Now only God go save the citizen. This tank now where e run enter this house so according to them 3 person don't lost the life for them and other people they still dey under there. As we dey talk, as we dey watch the video, as the video ran, no ambulance no ambulance, no wetin they call am fire brigade or nothing. No, now the good citizen now he come out come they try to help, to try to draw people wey be say maybe they still dey under. Now wow, that's our country. Hey Jesus, so how they want to change am? Wetin go change for the country? Me, I don't know whether it go change, because the country even say e don tire for everything. Something like this happen, no ambulance, no people, no ogbalegbe, nothing, nobody dey there. Now only the good citizen wey be say dem dey around wey see wetin dey happen. Now e dey there come dey help, come dey try to help. Una know say when something like this happen, maybe somebody they need oxygen, maybe somebody they just lose blood, they go ambulance go there try to just first of all to do wetin they supposed to do for the first time. That's our country. If something happen to you, you are on your own. You are on your own. Anything will happen, you are on your own. Now people wey be say they can't dey the area, can't they do everything. Now wash out. I pray for people wey be say they still dey live for that country. We go dey pray for them. This tank, this wetin they call now, this trailer now where they carry fuel, just run enter. Now no say sometimes they not dey sleep. Nothing. Poor people then they outside they do their thing. Now the thing just run go meet them for them. Break, e no go there for the car. Who they control them? Who want control them? Whether they even get, whether the car they work. So how many just they work out for road? Now wow. I will put the video for now. Mona watch my people. Mona help me share this video. Mona see this one at the country where they say it go better. We don't know which time it go take better. Whether it go better, whether it not go better. Now only Baba God now know. So car go there for that country when supposed to be say they go destroy. It go see the waka. You go now so you go see some car. You no get break. You go they carry they go, especially all this trailer. Most of them they don't get break. They just they waka for road. They just they waka. Nobody to control them. If they go there, they shout for you, say come on for road, oh no break, oh no break, oh. Can you imagine? Car where they walk, where they waka for, where they for tie road. You go they tell you may you come on for road. Come on for road, oh no break, oh no break, oh. Can you imagine? When go take better, my people, we still they ask ourselves, we don't know. It's just that many people don't even, the thing don't tire everybody. Don't tire everybody. Something like this go happen. Ambulance no go there. Nobody go there. Who you want even call? If you even call the all this fire brigade, they'll tell you say maybe they not get water. If something they burn, they'll say maybe sorry they not get water. I'm gonna fair the hot fan first. Now that one when be our country. This is the main person they laugh, but sometimes you go just they look and make you cry not go gree come. You not go gree come. But they just they tell us, Mona, not worry, everything will be okay. Una believe them. Me, I not believe them because me, I don't know what to go better for them. We not even they see anything where go better. And every blessed day, the thing they worst up every day. Every day. 3 people now buy for them. People still they under for them. Where be say they now people where they for street now come they run, come they draw, come they help all this come they help them. Whether they go see people where go survive for inside there. Not be ambulance supposed to dey there first. May I put the video, my people, may we watch out together. May we they pray for our people back home, because anything where they happen, they are their own. Now they just there for their own. May we watch out together. This one on the trailer. This one are people wey be say na see them. People wey dey around now, they come, they help, they bring everybody come out. Innocent people wey dey for his house. Inside their hands and do.
Maybe it's 33,000 liters or 45, I don't know. But it's a full loaded tanker that ran into that building. And unfortunately, there were people there doing their normal businesses when the accident occurred. So as we are speaking now, there are still people under that tanker, as you can see. So we are trying now to evacuate the vehicle from that place so that we can remove the bodies from under the tanker. It's just unfortunate.
And on the spot assessment by His Excellency Prince Abiodun MFR, following reports of this tragic incident which took place here last night, we understand that a fully laden truck of fuel crashed into a building, and unfortunately we have 3 casualties and 2 people injured and in hospital. His Excellency extends his condolences to the families of the bereaved and also sends his best wishes for swift recovery for the injured who are in hospital. We want to assure you that the reports we are getting that this road happens to be an accident hazard with trucks going through and causing incidents here will be looked at. Our Commissioner for Transportation is here. We'll look at how we can work together with the transportation and other agencies.
For outside, they do it. They do it. No one, my people. Not the way we not go see for that. Many when you see like this, many, especially for that Lagos road, you need to Lagos. You see any train away before for road. They just want enter somewhere. Maybe car just the waka, they go just go meet car. People go just buy, no one will know. All these things no need to be happen for a country where you say then they come no. See house where you want to enter. People do their own, they do their thing. This are not supposed to before they'll call them, before they'll come. Oh, I go, Jesus. Oh, I don't go. Ambulance, you must see ambulance for there when they go. And later, all this one call the come. After the city, they don't do their thing. And later, you call them, they'll tell you, story. You know, do your kind of like these people will lose their lives too. Now, just talk, but go just talk now. Later, they're not here. They're not even concerned. They will say they'll do something about the road. Now, story, all the story. They know all these things before. Nobody they care. People just there on their own. If you leave, you leave. If you not leave, now you know. God bless you for being here. Thank you, my people. I mean to share this video. Wanna remember this? It happened for Abeokuta, and it for happen. Many things they happen for that country. Where some of them we not even they see them. Roadway not good, nothing. All this tanker where be say they not get break where they waka for road. They're not supposed to dey for street now. They're not supposed to dey. They're not supposed to dey. One love keep us together. Bye bye for now.